Hey, welcome to Baby Cook That Thang. On today's episode, we are making sausage with peppers. Maybe we'll make that bird and that one too. Okay, the birds have gone nuts. Anyway, I'm out here because I was making too much noise, so I gotta be out here. Stay tuned, guys. It's gonna be an adobo sauce with chipotle. Oh, Lord. It's gonna be amazing. Okay, chorizo, our sausage of choice. This is awesome. I'm excited, as you can see. We're gonna fry this. We're gonna fry it now. Put it in if you have a pan like this where you can get the grill marks, that's cool. If you don't sweat it, no big deal. Just fry it in a regular pan, you'll be good. So while that's frying is a good time to chop up 2 green bell peppers, just like that. Chop it into thin little slices so that it can fry quickly. And once you're done with that, set it aside because we're gonna fry it in the oil which is coming off of our chorizo. Let me show you. You see right there, the top one in the middle, see that oil coming out? There's gonna be a lot of oil coming out once these guys are done. I'll show you. We're gonna get them going. Well, these are not ready, but just showing you the grill marks for no reason. So look at that. Once they're done, we're gonna remove them and see all that oil? That's gonna be awesome. The bell peppers are gonna get such good flavor from the chorizo, and that's what we're doing. So just fry these guys up, let them get soft as you want. I didn't let them go all the way through, so they have a tiny bit of crunch, something like that. Once they're at that stage, I just added my chorizo back in and just mixed everything up. This is an insanely simple recipe. You saw those 2 ingredients, chorizo and green bell peppers, and this is the third and final one. This is chipotle peppers in adobo sauce. These things are awesome, amazing. You see how it looks all like wet and delicious? We're gonna put that in with our sausage and peppers. So I just put in like, what is that, like 4 or 5 of them with a little bit of the liquid. And at this stage, you're almost done. You just mix everything up. And I actually cut up some of the chorizos in the middle so that I can get extra adobo flavor in them. And that's it. This is so simple and it is absolutely amazing. I lost my mind when I ate this. So good. It's very exciting times. So you remember I told you guys how I'm keeping things honest now, and the reviews are going to be honest. If this sucks, I'll be like, this is the most disgusting thing in the world. Okay, listen to me. This combination of the chorizo with the chipotle pepper, the sauce goes into the chorizo. Do you know how good this thing is? Do you know how good this thing is? Hold on. Let me give these guys a try separately. If you don't make this, I feel very sorry for you. Very sorry. You need to make this, you need to eat it, and you need to cook it. Cook it before you eat it. Anyway, guys, thanks for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't done so yet to see more videos, and click the bell so you can get more notifications. And if you have some feedback, I'd love to hear from you. Please comment down below. And of course, give the video a like. All right, guys, until next time, baby cook that thing.